वाह, मार्वलस सर, व्हाट अ स्पीच। अच्छा चलिए ठीक है। एक और किस्सा याद आया मैं जो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। ठीक है, क्या हुआ था एक दिन कि एक स्टूडेंट आया मेरे पास। ठीक है, मैं जब पढ़ा रहा था मैंने एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट को बहुत डांट दिया। ठीक है, फॉर सम रीज़न आई कांट रिमेंबर दैट, फॉर सम रीज़न मैंने उस स्टूडेंट को बहुत डांट दिया। वो मेरे पास आया कि सर आपने मुझे इतना क्यों डांटा। मैंने बोला कि बिकॉज यू डिड सम मिस्टेक, इसीलिए, एंड डांटना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ठीक है, तो उस बच्चे ने मुझे एक बात बोला। क्या बोला कि सर मेरे पापा जो हैं वो मेरी मम्मी को डेली मारते हैं, डेली मेरे घर में लड़ाई होता है, तो क्या मेरी मम्मी का मिस्टेक है उसमें। बस दैट थिंग, दैट वेरी थिंग स्ट्रक मी, दैट वेरी थिंग स्ट्रक मी। क्या है कि हम एज ए पेरेंट्स समझते नहीं हैं। हम लोग जो घर में लड़ाई झगड़े करते हैं, हम लोग जो गाली गलौज करते हैं घर में अपने आपस में, हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि हम लोग हस्बैंड वाइफ ही तो हैं, हम लोग आपस में तो झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, उसमें हमारे बच्चे को क्या लेने देना है। बट ऐसा नहीं होता है। बच्चे पेरेंट्स से सीखते हैं, बच्चे अपने टीचर से सीखते हैं। टीचर से ज़्यादा समय बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं, अपने माँ और अपने बाबा के साथ रहते हैं। उनसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो लोग सीखते हैं। तो अगला जो हमारा टॉपिक है, हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम इस टॉपिक को लेके आ रही हैं कि ये जो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस है, ये जो घरेलू लड़ाइयाँ हैं, इसका क्या असर होता है उन बच्चों के ऊपर। आइए सुनते हैं।
Hello everybody. In this pandemic situation, the people are staying at home for a long duration. People are facing different stress, financial loss, and as a whole, due to frustration, domestic violence increasing day by day. Keeping in mind, I am trying to seek your attention on the topic, the impact of domestic violence on children. The impact of domestic violence on children. Domestic violence means the violence committed by someone in the victim's domestic circle. This includes partner and or co-partners, immediate family members, other relatives and family friends. According to the United Nations Declaration 1993, violence against women includes any act of gender-based violence that results in or is likely to result in physical, sexual or psychological harm or suffering to women, including threats of such as acts, coercion or arbitrary deprivations of liberty, whether occurring in public or private life. The main objectives of today's discussion is to highlight: Number 1, why and how women are easy targets of domestic violence. Next, how the children becomes the victim of domestic violence. And the last one, how to lead a normal, peaceful life. Whenever the domestic violence takes place, the woman becomes the victim directly and its adverse effects fall upon children. Our society is a patriarchal society, which is one of the main root causes of domestic violence. Violence against women is not a new phenomenon. It is a primitive practice that has always been treated as a part and parcel of socio-economic milieu, and domestic violence is a worldwide phenomenon in different forms such as physical, emotional, religious, economic, and mostly sexual abuse. Now I'd like to discuss the different types of domestic violence that are happening in our society. Number 1, physical violence. It is the most recognizable form of domestic violence. Examples: pushing, throwing, kicking, grabbing, hitting, punching, beating, battering, slapping, pinching, biting, breaking bones, burning assault with a weapon such as knife or gun, shaking, and murder, etc. Next, psychological violence. Psychological violence can be verbal or non-verbal. It is somehow more powerful than physical abuse. It includes intimidation, threats of harm, and isolation. Next, emotional abuse. It is one of the worst forms of abuse. Batterers target their victim to create inferiority, fear, and low self-esteem in the minds of the victims. Even they insult and humiliate the victim to get control over them. Sexual abuse. It is a common form of domestic violence. Sexual assault, rape, sexual exploitation, etc. are different types of sexual abuses. Economic abuse. It involves making or attempting to make the victim financially dependent on the abuser. Examples of economic abuse include forbidding an intimate partner from working or gaining education, controlling the financial resources, and withholding access to economic sources. Last one, spiritual abuse. It is also one of the form of psychological abuse. Spiritual or religious belief will be misused to get control over their intimate partner to fulfill their needs. Next, there are different reasons of domestic violence, but here I am highlighting the most important reasons. Number 1, cultural belief or traditional viewpoint. Next, desire for public or control. The third one, low self-esteem. Next, intra-family conflicts, mental illness, low academic achievement, substance abuse, dowry. Next, that is the last one, negative emotions. Why women bear domestic violence? Most of the concerned women, either educated or uneducated, for the sake of family, they are not ready to go for legal law. In spite of they have been subjected to physical torture, they are exploited, even raped in their own houses. So following are some of the major reasons behind women's calmness against domestic violence. Children's love and care, no support from family, responsibilities, society, and the last one, safety reasons. Now, I like to focus on the second objective, that is the impact of domestic violence on children. The children become the witness of domestic violence many times in their lives. They feel helpless in their childhood and dependent upon their parents. They cannot express their feelings fully and ultimately become sufferers throughout their lives. The sufferings are of two types: short-term suffering and long-term suffering. Short-term suffering related to physical problems, such as they get physical injuries many times when they try to keep their mother away from violence, and they suffer from health issues such as loss of appetite